everyone, welcome to my channel, Everything Martha Crafts and More. I am Martha and I hope that you're all doing well. It's a very beautiful day here in Florida. It's super sunny and it's hot, but not as hot as it's gonna get, trust me. Drinking some of my polar water. Have you guys tried this water? This is the black cherry and they have a lot of different flavors, but I really do like these waters. They're just like seltzer, calorie-free water, no sugar at all, no diet sugar, and they're a really good substitute for soda if you crave soda and you want to not do the calories and all the sugar. Well, this is a good water to try. I really do enjoy it. Anyway, have you guys ever made a wreath for your door? If you have, you know how cumbersome that could be, how tedious, how many items you have to use, you know, trying to decide where you're going to put the flowers, or if you're going to make one out of bows, you know, you have to be cutting all the ribbon to size and then knotting them, and it could be a lot of work. So I decided to make a new wreath for my door for this spring and summer, and I came up with a super easy way to make a wreath. It was super inexpensive. I got the things that I used at Dollar Tree and I only had to buy 5 items, you guys. That's it. 5 items at $1.25. Look how inexpensive that turned out, and it was super, super quick and easy. I can't wait to show you. I have it right here. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Of course, you can pick your own colors, and I did hang a piece of ribbon here to hang it at my door. And I am going to show you how that looks on my door and how I made it. So stay tuned for that so you can see how easy it is to make, and maybe you can make one for yourself. And so I can't wait to show you that. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and as always, I hope to see you in my next video. Take care until then. Mwah. Hasta luego. Bye bye, guys. Okay guys, and this is what I bought to make this beautiful wreath. I got 2 of these Hawaiian necklaces. They have all different colors you can choose from. This welcome sign and this wreath ring and the craft sticks. That is it, aside from glue, which I already had. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the craft sticks, which it's really easy to cut. I just used a floral scissors that I had bought at Dollar Tree, and I'm cutting them a little bit larger than half size. After that, I'm gonna glue them all around the wreath ring. It just makes it a lot easier to glue the Hawaiian necklace to the craft sticks than it would be to the wire form of the wreath, because it's very thin. So this is what the craft sticks look like after I finished gluing them. I'm going to start working with the first Hawaiian necklace now. This first one is going to be glued to the exterior outer part of the wreath ring. You'll see that the first one, it does not quite go around the whole outside of the form, so I cut it and I put a little glue to each end of the Hawaiian necklace, and you'll see that there's going to be like a 3-inch gap. That's perfectly fine, because when you use the second Hawaiian necklace, it's a little bit too long because it's going in the smaller section of the wreath ring. So when you start gluing the second one, you'll start by filling in that gap that the first one didn't cover. Okay, so here's where I cut the necklace because it was a little bit too short. Make sure you pull on the little string and put hot glue right at that point so the little flowers don't start to fall out of the necklace. You do that on both ends, and then you continue to glue the necklace. At this point, I got a little smart and I started using a craft stick in order to push down on the glue, because I did burn myself a few times. Okay, you guys, and there's the gap that I was talking to you about, which we're going to fill with the second necklace. But first, we're going to get the welcome sign, and we're going to hot glue that to the craft sticks as well. Now that the welcome sign is hot glued, remember to start working with the second necklace first by filling in the little gap on the top and then continuing all around. It works perfectly with the size of the wreath ring. And I am almost done with the wreath. I love the way that it turned out. I love the beautiful pastel colors. There are so many other ones that you can choose from. And just like that, you have a beautiful wreath to hang on your door for just $6.25, you guys. I really am happy with the way that it turned out. I hope that you love it and that you will try it as well. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you'll be there for my next video and that you'll consider subscribing. Take care until next time. Bye.